When it comes to traditional Native games, Tonya Wapskineh is known for playing chunkey. She is also a community health advocate who says that health and culture keeping go hand in hand.
To me, being Cherokee is keeping those values regarding your family, regarding your traditions, and perpetuating them, not just within your family, but within your community and helping one another. That's huge. Tonya Wapskineh, I'm the coordinator for the Cherokee Nation Diabetes Prevention Program. I'm originally from Stillwater, Oklahoma, but my family is from Rocky Mountain Community in Adair County. I moved here in 2005 to Tahlequah to work with Cherokee Nation. I originally got involved into diabetes prevention because my dad was diagnosed with diabetes when he was 37. At that time, I was a student at Oklahoma State University, and it was important for me to learn that information so I could help my dad. I wanted to do that so I could help my family, so I could help our Native communities, and then also help those that needed more information regarding diabetes. Growing up, my grandpa and grandma were very traditional in the sense of being active and basically living off the land. There wasn't really any times where I ever seen them just sit and be idle. Whenever I would visit my family, I would play. I was always involved in being active with my grandparents. We would play marbles, we would play horseshoes, badminton, croquet. My cousins would be around. It was something that we did in the summers or even, family get-togethers. When my grandma and grandpa were alive, they had a garden on their land. It was important because it was coming just from the land and coming straight to the table. We basically had cucumber and corn and squash and tomatoes and strawberries. One of the things that my grandparents would do is have us go and pick things out of the garden, and then we would have to wash it, and then my grandma would have us prepare it, whatever it may be. So we got to see that whole process of where it came from and what we were eating. If you can buy the freshest foods, whether it be meat or vegetables or fruit, then you're gonna get the most nutrients, you're gonna get the best quality of food because it's not going through any kind of processing. If you ate those foods that Creator gave us, then that's basically how you're going to take care of yourself, because food, it really is medicine, and moving is medicine too. When I came to Cherokee Nation to work for the Diabetes Prevention Program, we use cultural games within our activities for employees and for community groups. As an employee for Cherokee Nation, we're asked if we want to volunteer during the Cherokee National Holiday. I was introduced to chunkey in 2016, and I started competing in the games in 2017. And then I took on the role as a coordinator for the chunkey games. Chunkey is a game that has been revitalized for our area. It's an ancestral game that basically died out a long time ago. The object is to throw your spear and get closest to the chunky stone. And whoever gets closest to that stone will win a point without hitting the actual stone. And players compete, they throw back and forth, we'll roll the stone, and whoever gets to 11 wins that game. My nephew is a qualifier for the traditional games, and my son, he actually helps me run the games.
I feel like I'm learning more from my aunt alone. She has always pushed me to get closer to my traditional activities and cultural games like stickball and chunkey. She's taught me a lot, and I feel like I'm learning even from elders all around. I'd ask them how games were back then and how they were raised to play.
Yes, good job.
because I want to continue that on for the younger generation.
Being active as a child with my grandparents and with my uncles and my mom, just playing games. It's just, we have a really good time, and I think it brings our family closer together. Yes! Having that experience with my family, it did carry on into me as being a parent and as me being an adult to want to be more active and to have that within my family and within my boys. As Cherokee people, I think we could basically prevent diabetes by being more active, being the way that our ancestors were, eating traditional foods, and playing and being part of those traditional games, because being active and eating better, those are the two things that are going to prevent you from having diabetes. My grandparents were in their 70s out there playing kickball with us and running. I want to be that. I want to be that for my children, for my grandkids. And I think that by their way of life, they were able to stay active that way.